Hello and welcome to the tutorial Grammar in Real Life. Title I have done versus I did. Don't mix them up. Don't mix I have done versus I did. So here is a small skit. Title I have done versus I did. Don't mix them up. Character A is the student and character B is the teacher or interviewer. Scene. Job interview setting. So interviewer says, so have you ever worked on a team project before? A says, yes, I did many team projects in college. B, so when exactly? A, some last year, some even this month. D, then you should say, I have done many team projects because they are not only in the past, they are connected to the present. So the tip pop-up is use I have done for experiences with no specific time or when still relevant now. Use I did for actions completed at a known time in the past. So A is smiling, got it. I have done many team projects and I really enjoyed them. B, now that's the right vibe. You are sounding professionally alright.